Brand new iOS update? Cracked it. Day one. As you can tell, I'm already rocking iOS 26.3.1. Now swipe back to the home screen, open up Safari, and go to uncover.vip. O is a 0, so don't forget that. Here, press Jailbreak, then Allow, then Close. Now, you'll need to head back into Settings. Click Profile Downloaded, then press Install, enter your passcode if you have one, then tap Install. After that, return to your home screen and open the Uncover app, and here click Jailbreak. And now as you can see, guys, it immediately kicks off the entire process. It is smoothly bypassing all the restrictions and jailbreaking my device completely flawlessly from start to finish. All we have to do now is just sit back and wait for it to load. Here, we're going to press Respring, and what this will do is basically restart the device with Cydia installed and ready to use. And we did get the app right here, so be sure to try this out for yourself. Get the word out because this is super cool. I found this really cool tweak called Premium. It's an icon customization tool that lets you completely change the look of your apps. You can adjust the colors, styles, and shapes for a fresh vibe. Let's check if it installed. Yes, it did. Like and subscribe.